Hello everyone, welcome back to Edulogos Mind. The first farmers and herderers, how the nomads people, early human, how become from nomads to they being in the settled life. So they started in Neolithic period. In Neolithic age, early man turned into a food producer from a food gatherer. Before they went to jungle and gathered the hunting and gathered the food. Now they started produce the food, means agriculture they started to doing. You know that if you put a seed, planting a seed, then what happened? The seed, for germination, the seed can take maybe 1 day, 1 week, or maybe 1 year. So, and after then also to look after, to watering the plants, to driving away animals and birds, ये सब के लिए they have to stay near the crop field, near the agriculture field. So that's why they led a settled life, means starting to settle into a large area. They cultivate the fields, grew crops and stayed in one place, not moving from place to place in search of food. But somehow the archaeologists found that in Neolithic age, some people are doing both. They are growing the grains also, growing the crops also, as well as when the off-seasonal, when the crops are not growing, they are gathering, hunting and gathering food also. So somehow some areas they are doing both during the different seasons. When agriculture is not going, then they are doing the hunting and gathering food also they are doing. So here I want to say one thing. So agriculture was first practiced by the people of near east side. East side means in the worldwide, that is the west side of India, but that is the east side, means Iran, modern Iran, Iraq, Turkey, Levant, and in this area, Mehergarh. Mehergarh was also, this area also very fertile soil near the river. So here also seen agriculture very early time, on the very early time. And all these blue box you can see, all these blue box are Neolithic sites. These all are Neolithic sites. And in these Neolithic sites, the archaeologists found the burnt grains, different type of burnt grains. And from these burnt grains, the scientists told that different subcontinental area, they are using different type of grains. Means different places they are growing the different type of grains. Not like everywhere barley or everywhere wheat. No, different area of this subcontinent they are growing according to the soil, according to the weather, they growing different crops. Now about the agriculture tools. See the agriculture tools from the Neolithic period, a grinding stone and the flint blades which may have been used for the reaping. When the crops are time to cut, with this sharp edge, with this blade type of sharp edge tools, I told you Neolithic period, sharpen the stones and become a great type of tools. So they sharp the tools, the stone, the edge portion, this portion, one side they sharp it. Purposely they sharpen for reaping the crops, means to cut the crops from the agriculture field. There, specially there sharpen, they made the tools like that from the stone only, with the stone only. See the polished stone tools of Neolithic period. That is the most nice polished stone tools in Neolithic period, that is got from Karnataka, Jharkhand. These stones are found under the soil by the archaeologist. Now we will talk about the pottery. Early men learned how to grow food. Now the time how to store food. They grown the food, but they have to store also. So they made this type of, or more big type of earthen pot with the clay, and they stores the grain, water in this type of pot, and they decorate also. You can see the Neolithic pottery. And sometimes they dig a big pit inside the ground and store the food. This is the hand pottery with his hands. And later these pots were decorated with various designs of sometimes animal figures on them also. I want to show you some Neolithic sites. Mehegara, Uttar Pradesh in UP. Mark of cattle hoof and rice. The archaeologists got all these things from Kaldhiwa, Uttar Pradesh. Bones, fragments of animals, means from animals' bones they got under the soil, and rice. In these areas, rice are grown up. Rice are grown in the copper field. Chirant in Bihar, Mehergarh in Pakistan. We will talk Mehergarh and Barzahom about these, Pakistan, and in Kashmir Valley. There are bones of sheep, goat, cattle in Mehergarh in Pakistan. I told about the very fertile soil over there, and wheat, barley, these things are grown there. And Barzahom in Kashmir Valley, bones of buffalo, cattle, dogs, sheep, goat, and lentil, wheat. Because Kashmir Valley, it is very cold weather, and here the archaeologists found the pit also under the ground, the house under the ground, and the steps also, stairs also to go inside the house under the ground. धरती के नीचे, जमीन के नीचे घर बना हुआ है, और उसमें जाने के लिए स्टेयर्स भी मिला है आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को. एंड दे गॉट टू टाइप ऑफ किचन्स इन दिस टाइप ऑफ हाउस इन कश्मीर वैली, बर्जाहोम. एंड दिस दे कंसिडर कि मे बी सीजनल चेंज, जैसे बहुत ठंडा है तो शायद अंदर बाहर धूप में खाना बनाते, और बहुत हवा चल रहा है तो अंदर खाना बनाते. दे गॉट टू टाइप ऑफ किचन इन ईच टाइप ऑफ हाउसेस. सो दे कंसिडर बिकॉज ऑफ वेदर चेंज मे बी दिस टाइप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन डन. एंड हल्लूर आंध्र प्रदेश, bones, cattle, pigs, these things they got from the under the soil from these sites, Neolithic sites. These all are Neolithic sites the archaeologists found afterwards and got these things. This is the remain of grains they found from these sites, and these are the bones bones of animals they got from the, and from there they come to know the domestication of the animal in the particular sites, and from the domestication of the crops from the particular sites. From this chart you also come to know. Let me say one thing. The total Neolithic period, which is from 8000 BC to 4000 BC, this is divided into one more sub-Neolithic period. Means from this 4000 BC, this area from 5.5 thousand BC to 4.5 thousand BC, this 100 years, that is called Chalcolithic period. There are so many things we will discuss about Chalcolithic period. At that period, Chalcolithic means copper age. Chalcos means copper and lithos means stone. Means Chalcolithic also known as the Copper Age. During Chalcolithic period, man used tools and vessels made of copper and stone. Copper tools are stronger than stone and man could cut down crops and trees faster. Other objects found in copper were bangles, beads, earrings, finger rings, fish hook. Means these people consider copper is more stronger than the stone, so they started making the tool for reaping the crops also. That is also easy for them. And bangle, beads, earrings, finger rings, so many things they started making of copper. So just read the lesson, and many things many information I have given you more than your book, so that is also needed. So that's why I told listen the video many times, then no need of much more reading, but reading also necessary. But if you listen the videos, then you will grasp it. Okay, if you like it, like. If you are still not subscribed the channel, then definitely subscribe Edulogos Mind, because so many extra videos also I am providing you, as well as English literature also I am providing. So it is beneficial for you. Thank you very much for watching me.